We are in a whole nother state. New rules. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're in a new state of affairs. We had a major floor-wide, worldwide market rally on the NYSE yesterday, up 220 points. Market opened up, okay? In order to have a broad-based rally, you need to have, the financials are involved. Everyone's reaction on Thursday to what happened with Draghi was what happens often here when the FOMC minutes come out and they raise the rates or they lower the rates and people aren't able to understand and interpret the information correctly. We had a pop on Thursday morning and then a huge sell-off, right? It almost felt like the whole Draghi thing backfired. Well, Friday, everyone started to understand and interpret. Maybe they were trading out of a position that they had, you know, here we do buy on rumors, sell on news. A lot of people may have been in the trade anticipating Draghi's move, and then they unwound that trade, and that's where the sell-off happened on Thursday. But Friday we had a broad-based rally with energy involved. Energy topped out, oils were up. It was broad-based in the energy space and in the financial space and across the boards, the JP Morgans, the Goldman Sachs's. We had the service names rallied. We had everything rallying. Okay, a small couple of retails were on the sell side. Market opened up, stayed up, closed up 220 points. It was broad-based. It felt right. Everything was good about it for the day. Okay, it felt like one of those Friday rallies. It felt like some money being put to work around 3:15 in the afternoon. $1 billion buy program came into the marketplace, which just topped off the cream on the top of that cappuccino. But there was a lot of firm buying in the day. I'm not going to analyze whether it was short covering, it was buying or whatnot. Money being put to work, money going into the market. We have the end of the quarter coming next week. Okay. And that's a big deal, okay? So where do we stand right now? A lot of people are talking about whether as oil topped out, as the market rallied back and topped out, February 11th to March 11th was a 10% retracement in the S&P and in the Dow. This market is on fire, okay? So it's really hard. A lot of people, you got both sides of the coin here. People saying this is the beginning of something firmer. People are going to jump on board. They're going to be chasing the S&P. Or is this just a retracement of 10%? And now we're going to see things tap down on the Dow and on the S&P and on oil at $40. I'm not clear. I kind of feel that we may see a little retracement on the downside here. Okay, things don't always go up and stay up. Oh, I'm having trouble. But Monday's going to be a very telling week. A lot of stuff happening next week. A lot of stuff happening in Germany. We've got stuff in Europe. We've got stuff happening in the OPEC, the Chinese. Sorry, I'm going crazy. I don't feel good today. There's going to be a meeting of the oil-producing countries. That's going to have a big effect. FOMC meetings on Wednesday. Anyway, for now, I'm going back to bed, get some hot tea. I needed to give you what happened, a good update on what happened on Friday. It was a positive day. Okay, it was a positive day in all respects. Okay, now, are we going to see things sell off again next week? It is possible. Has oil hit a top? I don't know. As I always tell you, I can't predict these things. But this retracement of 10% from February 11th bottom to March 11th top right now is fascinating. It's incredible. So there's going to be a lot of twists happening about this whole experience next week. Whether we go farther from here and this is building a firm bottom, or this is a top for temporary top, and we're going to sell off from here, I don't know. We're going to talk again on Monday.